When it comes to selecting the right windows for your home in Houston, one of the most important factors to consider is the local climate. Known for its hot summers, mild winters, and high humidity, Houston presents unique challenges when it comes to energy efficiency, comfort, and durability. The right window material can help manage these challenges and enhance the overall performance of your home. In this video, we will explore the best window materials for Houston's climate and how to choose the right one for your home. Why the right window material matters in Houston. Houston's climate is characterized by long, hot summers with temperatures regularly reaching into the 90s and sometimes even exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity levels are also high, which can lead to the growth of mold and mildew in areas prone to moisture. The winters are relatively mild, with temperatures rarely dipping below freezing. However, during this period, homes still need to maintain efficient insulation to handle cool evenings and occasional cold snaps. Choosing the right window materials is crucial for managing energy efficiency, preventing moisture damage, and ensuring long-lasting performance. The wrong material could lead to increased energy bills, excessive maintenance, or premature wear and tear. Common window materials and their suitability for Houston's climate. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are one of the most popular choices for homeowners in Houston, and for good reason. Vinyl is known for being highly energy efficient, low maintenance, and cost-effective. These windows are made of a durable, weather-resistant material that doesn't warp or peel in high humidity, making them an excellent option for the Houston climate. Vinyl windows are also well insulated, helping to keep the interior of your home cooler during the scorching summer months and warmer during the milder winters. This can lead to significant energy savings over time. Additionally, vinyl windows are resistant to moisture, meaning they won't rot or be susceptible to mold growth, a big advantage in a humid environment like Houston. Wood windows. Wood windows have a timeless, classic appeal and offer excellent insulation. They are ideal for homeowners looking to add an element of traditional beauty to their home. However, wood windows require more maintenance than vinyl options. In Houston's humid climate, wood can absorb moisture, leading to potential issues with rotting, warping, or mold growth if not properly sealed and maintained. While wood windows provide great insulation, they can be more prone to wear and tear over time. If you choose wood windows for your Houston home, it's essential to regularly inspect and maintain them to prevent damage from moisture and humidity. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are another excellent option for Houston homeowners. They are highly durable, energy efficient, and resistant to the elements. Fiberglass does not warp, crack, or expand like wood, and it's not susceptible to moisture damage like vinyl. This makes fiberglass windows an excellent choice for Houston's high humidity climate. In addition to their durability, fiberglass windows are great for insulating your home. They are energy efficient and can help regulate temperatures inside your home, keeping it cool during the hot months and warm when the temperature drops. The downside to fiberglass windows is that they tend to be more expensive up front than vinyl or wood windows. However, The long-term savings in energy efficiency and durability may outweigh the initial investment. Aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are known for their sleek, modern appearance and are often used in commercial buildings, but they can also be found in residential homes. While aluminum is strong and resistant to damage, it is not the best option for Houston's climate. Aluminum is a poor insulator and can conduct heat, which may lead to higher energy bills as your air conditioner works harder to cool your home. Additionally, aluminum windows are prone to condensation, which can contribute to moisture buildup and potential mold growth. However, if you are seeking a contemporary look and are willing to invest in thermal breaks, insulating materials, or coatings to improve energy efficiency, aluminum windows can still be a viable option. Just keep in mind that additional investment in insulation or coatings will be required to mitigate some of the material's inherent drawbacks in Houston's climate. Conclusion. Choosing the right window materials for your home in Houston is a critical decision that impacts both the comfort and efficiency of your home. Vinyl and fiberglass windows offer excellent durability, energy efficiency, and resistance to moisture, making them the best choices for Houston's climate. Wood windows provide a beautiful aesthetic but require more maintenance to prevent damage from humidity. Aluminum windows are not ideal for residential homes in Houston unless additional measures are taken to improve insulation. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your budget, aesthetic preferences, and willingness to maintain the windows. By carefully considering your options and selecting the best material for your home, you can ensure that your windows perform optimally and stand the test of time in Houston's unique climate.